Gayun din ang World Economic Forum sa Davos, Switzerland.
So that really goes to show how much of an economic superstar the Philippines is becoming in the international community. All of the big businessmen, all the heads of state want to have like one-on-one meetings with our president, with our speaker. So that's how well respected we're becoming.
Nandito pa lang tayo sa first 2 years ng ating administration, and I strongly believe that in the next few years we will continue to reap more of these benefits from all these foreign trips and pledges from all our investors, foreign investors.
Siguro isang paraan ito ng presidente para ipamuka sa kanyang mga bashers na ito ang produkto ng kanyang pagbabiyahe. At hindi lang ito simpleng pagpapahinga at nagtatrabaho talaga ang ating